Infiltrator is an innovative company that's always coming up with new ideas and new products.
Well, we produce septic pipe, our own design, and we make all the parts here. We make the pipe, the couplings, the end caps, the fiber, the wrap, everything that goes with it.
We have 3 extruders, 2 corrugators, and we run the fiber and the corrugators, and we make pipe and put our material on it and sew it up and cut it in 10-foot lengths and stack it in the racks. Well, we work 10-hour days here. So we start at 6:30 in the morning and done by 4:30. So it gives you the time in the afternoons, late afternoons and evenings to still be able to do the things you need to do in life.
I started at the basics right at the bottom and kind of worked my way through. We can train you, we show you what you need to do, and nothing's that difficult. There's nothing stopping you. You can just go as far as you can.
It's again, it's a very team-oriented production crew. We can teach anybody anything. Coming through the door, we can teach you everything we do here. There's opportunities here for everyone.
Expect the future. There is a future here. It's a career opportunity.
A great place to work. We have plenty of hours, which I like building up a lot of hours personally, but great benefits, good people to work with. Everybody seems to be real cool, and everybody just working to get the product out.